How to fix Libmysql.dll is missing on Windows. 1. Restore the missing DLL file, if you can. Plan B, copy the DLL where exe file is located. 2. Run sfc. Scan and repair system files. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan healthdism/online/cleanupimage/check healthdism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. 3. Install the MySQL connector/C library. 4. Reinstall the affected program that uses the Libmysql.dll file. 5. Use system restore. 6. Update the drivers for hardware devices with the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 7. Roll back any problematic driver to its previously installed version. 8. Test your memory. And troubleshoot for any hardware problem. 9. Prepare your installation. Windows under its safe mode. 11. Perform a clean installation.